Structure in C Sharp. Struct keyword is used for creating a structure. Here we have taken structure struct fast food. We have used struct keyword for this structure. In this way, for defining or declaring a structure, we can use struct keyword. Structure cannot contain default constructor or parameterless constructor. If we try to give here, if we build a solution, structs cannot contain explicit parameterless constructor. In this way, structure cannot contain default constructor or parameterless constructor. Structure cannot contain destructor. If we build solution, only class types can contain destructors. So default constructor and destructor cannot contain into structure. Structure cannot inherit another structure or class. If we give here one class, if we try to inherit the class with this structure, you cannot see here class name, and if we build a solution, here we get the error type A in interface list is not an interface. In this way, we cannot inherit a class with the structure. If we here we try to inherit this structure, type B in interface list is not in interface. In this way, we cannot inherit a class or a structure by this structure. So this structure cannot become a derived class or child class. Structure cannot be used as a base of a class. We have seen that in case of classes, there may be a base class and another class can inherit that class. Here we try to inherit this structure. Here we can't see here the name of the structure. If we give here and if we build a solution, we get the error cannot derive from cell type structure dot fast food. Means we cannot inherit the structure with the class, or we cannot create a derived class by inheriting the structure. Structure member cannot be protected or protected internal. If we give here protected, then it gives error new protected member declared in struct. If we give here protected internal, new protected member declared in struct. So the struct members cannot be protected or protected internal. Here a structure can be instantiated with or without using a new keyword. Here we can see we have created the object of this structure. Here we have given the name of the structure and here object name. Here we have not used new keyword like class. In classes we create the object with using new keyword, but here we can see we can create the object of structure without new keyword, and directly with this object we can able to access data members of the structure. Here we have created simple program for structure. Here we have structure struct fast food. It contains the variables string variable f food name, string variable f food company, integer variable quantity, double variable rate, double variable amount. Then we have created the object. We have given the structure name and then object name. In this way, fast food if. Then with this object, we have accessed the members of the structure and we have given values here. F dot F food name is equal to burger, F dot F food company is equal to McDonald, F dot quantity is equal to 3, F dot rate is equal to 60, F dot amount is equal to 180. Here we have given the sentence I purchase F dot quantity, F dot F food name of F dot F food company, price F dot rate, given rupees F dot amount. And if we execute this program of structure, we can see the output. I purchased 3 burger of McDonald, price 60, given rupees 100. of price. I purchased 3 burger of McDonald of price 60, given rupees 180. In this way, we can create the structure in C sharp. Further points. Structures are value type. Structures directly store the value, so they are value type. Structures are used to represent record. We have seen in the example, we have done fast food name, then fast food company name, then price of that fast food, then quantity of fast food, and also amount of the fast food. We have stored complete record. In this way, structures are used to represent a record. Structure is a lightweight alternative to a class. If there are lightweight objects and no need of inheritance, at that time structure is used instead of class. So that's all for structure in C sharp. Thanks for watching.